Welcome to my YouTube channel, folks. Today I'm going to teach you how to cook bacon in the oven. So what we have here, we have 5 slices of thick cut bacon. I'm placing it on this aluminum foil because I don't like washing dishes. So let's go ahead and get this started, people. Now that I have my bacon on the aluminum foil, what I'm going to do is go ahead and put it in the toaster oven. I'm using a toaster oven because currently my regular oven is occupied, so I thought a toaster oven would work best for now. So I'm putting the setting on 350. I'm doing it for about 15-20 minutes just to get it started. Usually, when you're cooking bacon in the oven, it does take a little bit longer, so please be aware of that. But 350 in the toaster oven, let's go. Now that that's in the oven, let's go wake up my dog. Hey, Cody, let's go. Now that I have my dog squared away, let me check on my bacon. Let's see what we have here. Let's pull this out. Oh, this looks really nice. Oh, you see that how that bacon is looking delicious, but it's not quite done. But that last piece in the back looks like it could come out. So let me grab something to remove that piece of bacon in the back because I don't want it to overcook. But everything just looks so delicious. You see how it still remains, you still have the original form of the bacon. That's what you want. Okay, it's been a few minutes, so let's check on this bacon again. Okay, it's coming together. Let's see, let's check on. Okay, so I'm poking the bacon at the bottom is still sticking a little bit, which indicates to me that it's not quite ready. So I'm going to flip it over. And you can see how soft it is. And I wanted it a little bit crispier than that. So I don't like soft bacon, but if you do, I mean, it's done. You could eat it, but I like my bacon a little bit crispier. Let's see, this bacon in the back though, these 2 pieces are looking really good. Sorry, I got the camera out of view, but you see how crispy that bacon is? Oh my goodness. That looks so delicious. Oh yes, I love how that looks. I know it's going to taste great, but the other two need to finish cooking. So let me just pull this apart a little bit because, I layered them a little bit too closely. So I just took a fork and just kind of separated the bacon a little bit. And I am going to leave the other 2 pieces of bacon in the oven for a few more minutes and come back and check on it. Okay, let's see what we have. Oh, that looks really delicious. Oh, okay, let me check. Okay, you see how it pulls up from the foil? That indicates that it's done. Okay, this is how you cook bacon, folks. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share.